Good morning, everybody. Today's kind of a unique day because all of the in-class or in-person students that are freshmen are taking the iLearn test. I know many of you took it on Monday here at school. So there's a few things I want to go over. And if you are supposed to be here today, like you are normally a in-person student, somehow you're going to have to figure out when your makeup session is for that iLearn. But I'm going to go ahead and share the screen here and hope everybody's enjoying their Friday. I know it's early, but it is Friday, so that's great. What I'm going to do today is I want to walk you through a few things that we are missing. And just show you a couple things, and then I'm going to let you do some work time on your own. So first thing I want to show you, hopefully you're watching the screen here, is if I go to my modules page. First off, I've had a lot of people ask where to turn in the current events project and or when they present. So current events project is at the top of the modules page. And this is where you're going to turn it in. So I've had 48 turned in. You see that? That's where we want to turn that in. So that's where you turn your current event in. The next thing I want to show everybody was current event topic choices and dates. So if you go here, you're going to see that this has the dates you're supposed to present. I told everybody in class yesterday, the people who are supposed to present today, which is the 23rd, will be presenting on Tuesday, which would be the 27th. And then we'll have to pick it back up again on the 30th as well in order to get all this done. Okay, so just a reminder. And then some of you haven't signed up for a date, it appears, like Joe. You need to do that at some point soon. Xavier is not here. Okay. The next thing that I wanted to show you then was if we go down to this current module that we're on. So the 2-hour delay assignment was to watch or to read this short article, take notes on the key themes, and then write down at least 10 things you learned from this video, which I referenced in class quite a bit yesterday. And then here's where you're supposed to upload it. You can either click on this, or you can just go back here and go to upload your notes here. Okay, notice I only have 42 submissions, and I believe I have 86 students. So there's a lot of you that haven't done this. If you have, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to preach. That's not good. I don't want to put those in until I get 60 or 70 turned in, because that's a lot of zeros to put in the grade book. I don't want to do that right now. Okay. So those are two things that I wanted to bring to your attention. Okay. The other things then where I still have a handful of zeros that people definitely need to do, and they're very easy to do. And that is the semester 14 or week number 14, semester 2 quiz. And then also it says intro for week number 14 and quiz right here. So the week number 13 quiz, a lot of people haven't taken that as well. So what I want you to do is go on to Skyward. Okay. See if you have missing assignments in this class. And then I want you to take either one of these quizzes, do the homework that was Wednesday when we had that crazy day with the power outage. And then we did not have an intro this week. This was the intro from last week. It was A little bit long, and it covered some of the information we talked about this week as well. Quite a few zeros for that. So check please on Skyward. And then what I'm going to do is once you have checked your assignments, if you have any to turn in, what I want you to do is just send me a message. I'm going to show you a good example of this. Okay. I just had Xavier right here, week number 14 quiz. I finished the quiz. I'm just going to show you as an example. He's a great kid. So don't just say I just submitted it. What I want you to do, here's what I'd like you to do, and I'll show you, is send me a message, this was yesterday, that says, I just finished the quiz and this is the score, okay? So tell me which quiz it was, 13 or 14, or even earlier ones. Tell me the score you got. If an assignment is locked, just let me know and I will unlock it for you. Okay. In the event that you took the quiz, but you don't have a score, then just send me a message with the score. Okay. Sometimes when people take it late, or maybe I made an accident and missed it or something, or I got a name confused. There's a lot of numbers and a lot of people's names I'm looking at on a screen, and it's kind of challenging at times. It's not like doing paperwork. Okay. So if you could just send me the score, and I'll make sure that that gets in the computer. Okay. So after you've done that, if you have no missing assignments, nothing you want to make up, you need to check in with me first here digitally or virtually, and then you can sign off. Okay. Does everybody understand that? I need you to use some kind of function on the, like a thumbs up or something like that. So actually I can see Francesca and Michael. Does that make sense? Great. Thanks, Francesca. Michael, thank you. All right. So like I said, either send me something in the chat box or just unmute and tell me that you're good. Then give me 1 second. Let me take attendance before you get off here.